All right, today all we're focusing on is multiplying matrices. Note that the starter is on the slide before this. If you haven't done it yet, please go do that. We're going to multiply matrices today, and it's going to be fun. You may not think it's fun. I don't really care. It's fun. All right, so multiplying matrices, beautiful. Multiplying matrices requires some finesse. Because matrices represent an array of numbers that stands for different categories, to multiply them, we must adhere to several rules. And we're going to be learning about those rules. So, the first one is if you're going to multiply two matrices, the number of columns, there we go, in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So, in other words, these two inside numbers must match. What's interesting is when they do, then the dimensions in the new matrix would be the rows of the first matrix by the columns of the second. In other words, in this particular case, it would be a 2 by 4 matrix. You take the outside ones, and that is what it becomes. So, I want you guys to see if these can multiply. So you first have to remember how to decide how many rows, columns, and what the dimensions are, and match them up. And if you can multiply them, say yes or no. And if they are yes, what are the new dimensions? So go ahead and give this a try.